Welcome to Joey's Tech. You are going to learn to solve an interesting string slicing problem in this video, which is finding the incremental and reverse incremental slices of a string. This video is a continuation of string slicing in Python series, and if you want to watch the previous slicing in Python videos, then you can either click on the I button or check the description box. Well, now let's see what the problem is. You are given a string. For this problem, I'll consider the string soccer. Your task is to find the incremental and reverse incremental slices of this string soccer. So the incremental slices will be these and the reverse incremental slices will be these. All these slices you need to put them in a list and display that list as the output. I'll switch to PyCharm now where I'll begin coding this program. I highly recommend you follow along with me, as that way you will be able to develop a good foundation of the slicing feature of Python. This is an interesting problem and will seriously boost your skills of string slicing, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because that way you won't miss out on the videos I make that help you grow in Python. So this is my PyCharm IDE in which I have created this file in which I'll begin writing the program. First thing that you will do is to create the main function, for which you will type the main keyword and PyCharm will do the work for you. Now you will first write the code to accept the input from the console, for which you will use the input function. So it will be str equal to input, and you will enter the message, which will be enter the string space. The string entered by the user will be assigned to this variable str. To find the incremental slices, you need to loop over the string as many times as its length, for which you will write for I in range len str and a colon. This loop is going to run from 0 to 5 when the entered string is soccer, because the range function doesn't include the end index. Now, if our string is soccer, then when I is 0, which means that the loop runs for the first time, we need to add s to the list. When I is 1, which means in the second iteration of the loop, we need to add so to the list. For that, you will write the slicing syntax, which will be str colon I plus 1. When I is 0, this will slice off the first character of the string. When I is 1, this will slice off the first two characters of the string, and so on. Then you need to add each of these slices to a list, for which you will declare one before the loop, which you can do by simply writing li equals to square brackets. Now you will use the append function to add these slices to this list. So you will write li dot append, and you will take this slicing syntax within brackets. That's it. We are done. Let's try running this program to check the output. But before that, we need to write the syntax to print this list. So I'll write print li. Let's run this now. I'm going to click on the play button. So it's asking me for the string. I'm going to enter soccer. I hit enter. There you go. You can see that the program is storing incremental slices in the list and is displaying it well. Finding the reverse incremental slices is a bit tricky, but more or less the principle is the same. To find the reverse incremental slices, first write the loop for j in range 1 comma len of str plus 1 colon. This time the loop starts from 1 and ends at 6 when the string is soccer, obviously. Why? Because you are going to use a negative slicing technique this time. Had we used a similar loop like this, then the starting index would have been 0, and negative 0 won't make much sense. So there is one more empty list which you will create. Let's create that. I'll call it li_1 equals to square brackets empty list. And you'll make use of the append method to add reverse incremental slices to the string. So let's first write li_1 dot append brackets. Now coming to the key syntax, you will first write str within brackets minus j colon. So if the value of j is 1, then this will slice off the last character of the string. When the value of j is 2, this syntax will slice off the last 2 characters of the string. But since you need to print the incremental slices in reverse, hence you will add one additional syntax to it, which will be bracket double colon -1. This additional syntax is going to reverse the slices that you are cutting from the right hand side of the string. Now I'm going to write the syntax which is going to print this list. So I'll write print li_1. I'll click on the play button now to check if the program is working. So it's asking me for the string. I'll write soccer again. I hit enter. There you go. It's working. The reverse incremental slices of the entered string being displayed in a list. If I hadn't added this syntax over here, then what would the slices look like? Let's check that. So I'll remove this syntax and rerun the program. I'll enter the same string. So as you can see, the slices are being taken from the end of the string, but the program is not printing them in the reverse like it printed them earlier. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You have certainly gone up in string slicing in Python higher than those who haven't explored slicing in Python like this. Do let me know in the comments below what you think of this program. I'll see you in the next video of Joey's Tech. Goodbye.